What I'm about to tell you is amazing. It is huge. It is enormous. It is out of this world, literally. And you've dealt with it every day. You think you know about it, but you probably don't realise it. Let's see what it is. So quiet you could hear a pin drop. Do you realise that your average cassette deck, or even record player, would be hard placed to reproduce the sound of a pin dropping? The first two were at the normal level that the sound was recorded at. The other one I put on 500%, so it's 5 times louder, and it still wasn't very loud, was it? If you wanted to have the sound of a big bass drum or something large going off as well, it would be very hard for it to do it. As I was saying, let's see if we can get something sorted out. Hey, what the hell's going on here? That was the sound of a jackhammer, but that wasn't at the real level that it should be. That was just at a sound that the machines could actually record it at. So let's have a look at this problem. If you've got a pin drop, it's going to be very quiet. And it's going to be approximately between 0 and 10 dB, which is not very loud. The problem with noise is that a pin makes a noise and a bomb makes a noise. How do you reconcile the two? That's why they use a logarithmic scale, which gets you numbers that you can use. And then you take a thing like road traffic. Road traffic is 70 dB. Now, according to Bing, things get a bit sketchy here. So 80 dB is 10 million times bigger than 10 dB. And traffic is approximately 70 dB, but that depends on exactly what sort of traffic. That's the sort of humdrum traffic that's running around your local neighbourhood, not stood by the side of a motorway with a truck going past. Anyway, so that's 70 dB. And then you've got the sound of a car horn. And car horns start at about 105 dB and go up from there. You can get 300 dB if you really want to. You can get train ones as well. They really are loud. I'm going to show you something here that's quite important. At 120 dB, it is 100 billion times bigger than what 10 dB is. 100 billion is how many grains of sand in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. And if you piled dollar bills on top of each other, they'd go 360 miles into space. The human ear, so much better than you thought. There's another useful video coming up here, and if you'd like to subscribe, that'd be welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.